I'm running really late, and we are way past checkout time. Everybody's gone. Everybody's in somewhere else. I don't know where they're at. Outside's covered in snow, and I need to be back tomorrow to catch a flight, so 14 hours ahead of me. Hopefully all goes well, and I'm just trying not to fuck my wallet, trying not to lose everything, and they're probably gonna leave without me. So, you know, Boss Squad, welcome to the vlog. I'm vlogging.
30 seconds.
I'm vlogging, bro. Oh fuck, they just said 30 seconds.
Going down the stairs.
Oh, my camera bag. Check how much snow's outside. Look at that. I think, oh, my pillow. Cleveland, it's been fun. Man, look at that snow. It's freezing cold. You see how much snow there is? God, I'm like ankle fucking deep. Holy shit. Yeah, back in the van. At another stop. 8 hours to go. Feeling it.
We're headed back to the Team 10 house because we got 34 vlogs to edit from one day, but we just filmed one every 30 minutes. It's been a while. We're pretty tired, so we're hoping the Team 10 house, the president shows back up to give us back massages. We love Trump's sausage fingers on our backs and in our butts.
We're getting desperate. I'm upside down. Devin's jumping ship into the back seat.
As you can tell, I've been vlogging for a while. There's me with my Lambo.
Oh, you puckered. Hey, Devin, watch my computer. You made it. Look at how trashed this thing is. Oh my god, dude. I just took a nap for like 2 hours upside down. I can't feel my toes. Devin crawled in the back. Grant passed out right here. Wyatt, the little kid, passed out banging his head against the side of the window. Boss Squad, I'm tired. I think we've got like 5.5 more hours to go. I'm feeling good. I just bought some root beer and whatever that is. Give you another update in a couple hours. After going to that gas station, I think I'm gonna listen to some Bruno Mars. Go take your shit, Grant. Go take that shit, buddy. He's like, you guys gotta move. We just passed St. Louis. We're 3 hours out, and Grant's been complaining about how he's gonna shit his pants for the past 2 hours. What the fuck is that? Bro, this is meteorologist. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I have no perspective of where we're at. I saw a semi-truck and I thought we were by a Walmart. I don't really know. I think we're like 2 hours away from home right now. Apparently they don't know what snow is in Missouri, which we don't. Us Missourians are simpletons, if I might say. But there's an Arby's and a McDonald's. Yeah, we're on the highway, not on a Walmart. Thank you. This has been meteorologist. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Welcome back, Jake Paulers. We're in the van. We got the trailer behind us. There's snow on the ground.
Hopefully someone didn't.
I got a piss. Our wheels are falling off because we grind to death, dog.
He's getting a collection of bottles because he's really paranoid about taking a piss.
You'll have that in your more liquidated states. I don't know how to unrecord now. You said a trigger.
What the fuck is? Oh no, it's not a trigger. No. Last time you had to shit, now you have to piss. Child lock. Oh, looks like you're going this way.
Bullshit, you better
Ah! Oh god, my nuts, bro. I have no idea where we're at. I really did not think we were stopping again, but it's still snowing. Grant keeps like shitting and pissing, and it's just making us stop way more. All right, we're definitely not stopping anymore. You a little cold, bro? Oh shit, my phone! Oh, okay, it's okay, it's right here. Pack's back in the Stang, right where we were 48 hours ago. That's 24 hours of drive. That was more than 24 hours of driving. That was like 30 hours of driving in a weekend. Rays was insane. That's Cleveland. See you tomorrow for more traveling. Bye!